what was said? What was said? Let me know. Let me know. This hair is amazing. Shout out to Allove Hair for sending me this unit. It's a month later and it's still bomb. It's still holding up.
My personality, maybe because I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody can tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I can say I did it with no help.
Alright, so I'm jumping straight into the video and I'm just doing a ball cap method. I thought I'd show y'all me reinstalling the wig just for more footage. So I sprayed the cap with Got To Be Glued freeze blast spray. And I'm just blow drying it till it's fully dry. It took a while because I used a lot. Now I'm cutting the excess lace off. Be real careful when y'all doing this. I'm still learning myself, like how to really get the ball cap method down. And I think I was a little impatient and I didn't let my glue dry all the way like I should have. But I'm just cutting that cap off. And y'all see I had to go back in with the spray and try to like spray down the pieces and stuff. And that only makes the cap roll because Got To Be Glue is very like wet. So just be careful with that. I get the ball cap down eventually. I've been watching videos or whatever. But now I'm just using some makeup, putting it on the lace and the cap, and I'm cleaning my skin to prepare it for the Got To Be Glue spray. Like how you see what I'm doing, I wouldn't do that. I would spray it on my finger, if anything, and rub it on there in front of the cap, not directly on the cap, because as y'all can see, that made it roll back. But I still just laid the lace anyway. So I'm just using my rat tail comb, the end of it, to like lay my lace down. And that's really it for the installing part. I did the baby hairs and stuff off camera, and I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest, and then we gonna get into the whole review and everything. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the process of installing the hair. I just like freshly washed this last night, and I'm just now installing it back. It has the same exact amount of softness that it had when I first got it, y'all, and it's been a whole month. I just wanted to say that y'all gonna see me say a lot more in the like sit down portion of this video, but as y'all can see, the hair still looks super good, still super bouncy. I'm telling y'all, as soon as y'all wash it and condition it, it bounces right back. Like, that is what I love about this unit. So fluffy and soft. I just gotta do the baby hairs, and I'll be back to give y'all the 1 month review. So in this video, I will be talking about this Allove hair bomb after a month, y'all. It's been probably a month and some change, but I know it's been at least a month, and I've been wearing this hair for a whole month. So I'm gonna give y'all all the tea and the details about the hair and how it's been holding up. As y'all can see, it looks how it does when I first installed it. So last night I washed the hair, I let it air dry as I do all my units, and I also washed my natural hair and just did a fresh install just to give y'all like a fresh 1 month update. So I'm gonna start with the pros of this hair. It's bomb. Like, there are so many pros. This hair is super soft. Even after I've worn it and had it in for a month, it is still super soft. You can run your hands through this hair. The curls are popping. The hair always bounces back after you wash and condition it. When you wash and condition it, this hair goes from 0 to 100 real quick. The curls are so pretty. The lace on this unit is amazing. I believe it's a 13x6. Yeah, it's a 13x6 lace frontal or whatever. There's a very minimum shedding. So as I've had the hair, it sheds a little bit, like here and there, but it's nothing crazy. Like you can see, it's still full, it's still thick. I just really love this hair, y'all. But I just wanted to give y'all an update because I know that people want to know, like, you know, how the hair holds up after a month or two, because yeah, it looked bomb when you first get it, but how is it holding up? So those are all my pros. It's very minimum shedding. It doesn't tangle at all. You know what, that's a lie. The only tangling, that's in my con. So it doesn't, like, the hair, the actual hair in the front and everything doesn't tangle. But what will happen, and I guess it's most likely to happen since it's curly hair, the back of the hair will, like, kind of tangle slightly a little bit by the end of the day. So that's why I noticed, like, when I get finished with it for the day and I want to take it off, the back of it, like, after it undried and everything, I mean, you moving, it's friction, it's curly, it'll get tangly in the back a little bit, but you can easily just wet it. Use any type of leave-in conditioner or some type of moisturizer with the hair, or like a what is it called to define the curls, like a curling gel. I use the brand by Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna insert a picture of it on the screen right here, and that is what I use with water and my Main Choice moisturizer. I'm also put that on the screen. I have that in a spray bottle together, the Main Choice and the water, and it makes the hair super soft. Yeah, it makes the hair super duper soft. So I put that on there, and then to keep that wet look, I use my Aunt Jackie's curling cream, or something like what it's called. It's like a coconut curling cream, and I put that on the hair. I use my hot comb to lay it down. Y'all actually gonna see me installing it in the beginning of this video, so y'all done already saw that. But yeah, this was just a super quick 1 month update. I really don't know what else to say. This hair is bomb. Again, it's a lace frontal, so you can really do any hairstyle that you want with it. I've been wearing it in the middle part this whole month. That's crazy, but you can you know, try different hairstyles with it. I definitely want to do something different with it because I want it in the middle part long enough. But this hair is amazing. Shout out to Allove Hair for sending me this unit. It's a month later and it's still bomb. It's still holding up. I'm running my hands through it. I mean, it's like literally, I have nothing bad to say about this hair but the fact that it tangles in the neck. I mean, that's not, and it's not nothing crazy where it just mats and, you know, like, now I get a few snags, but this is me running my fingers through the back of the hair. I'll get a snag or two, and then by the end of the day it'll be a little bit tangly, but that's only on the neck part. But other than that, y'all, I freaking love this wig. I got so many so many compliments on this hair. This is a close-up of how the curls are. Still super full and thick, so that's how you know, like, it really doesn't shed. Hair is still full, and I'm touching it a lot, so it's starting to get frizzy because it's drying. But so yeah, I've washed it. Trying to find more stuff to talk about it, y'all. Like, I've actually washed this hair twice now. Yeah, I washed it last night, and then I washed it a couple weeks back. So I've washed it twice. The lace is still amazing. Man, y'all, it's just, I love this hair. I can't stop saying that. It's bomb. Like I said, I really don't have anything bad to say about it. And I didn't want to make this video like 3 minutes, you know what I mean? So I wanted to give y'all more, you know, more to say. I mean, I wanted to give y'all more information about the hair. But if you want to know all the rest of the details on this hair, how I customized this unit, how I plucked it, how I styled it and installed it, all of that is in one video, my first review when I initially got the hair. So I'm gonna leave that in the iCards in the description box for y'all to check that out. And yeah, y'all can see the rest of the details. I'll also leave in this down below in the description box, like I did on my first video. But a month later, y'all, a month later, I'm gonna turn around for you. So that's how it looks or whatever. Allove. I said it in my last video. Y'all did y'all thing with this wig. I cannot stress that enough. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up because now I'm just dragging it. But like I said, check out all the details in the description box, as well as check out the video of me reviewing this hair, customizing this hair, and all that stuff, my initial review. But this was my 1 month review. I might come back with like a 2 month, who knows. But I just wanted to give y'all like a follow-up review so y'all see how the hair is holding up, and is it worth your money? Yes, sis, go get it. I genuinely recommend this wig to anybody. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. The video long enough. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, let me know by liking this video, subscribe to it, hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos of your girl, more hair reviews, all that, okay? Period. Talk to me now. Hold on. All right, y'all, I'm out. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.